Well, good evening, my Facebook friends around the world, Mr. Sunshine. Coming to you live right here, right now, and as things are not taking place. Things are not taking place here in any way, shape, or form. It is Mr. Sunshine stuck here on I-95 at a horrendous accident. And we've been backed up here. I've been sitting on this traffic for just about 2 hours, and we haven't gotten more than a mile. It is really bad out here, no question about it. We got traffic right at a standstill, all three lanes, 95 south. We're still talking about the next 5 miles is going to be at, well, look at this. He's just running down the side. And here comes another one. The people are just starting to get had enough, and they're going to start running the gauntlet here. Here comes another one. They're all starting to lose their patience here after sitting here for 2 hours in this fucking traffic. And it's actually both sides. This is what South Florida looks like in wintertime, with everybody from around the country and around the world down here on vacation. Melissa Lukash, welcome to South Florida. We got everybody cracking up there. They're starting to run the medians. We've been in here for 2 hours. 2 hours sitting here. Ron, you know what, Ron? I got to go to Miami. I'm up here in Stewart, which is about 2 hours that I got to get down to frickin' Miami. And I got an emergency call down here in the medical building, and they can't lock the fucking door. And I've been running everywhere. I was in Miami. I've been up since 3:30 this morning. So, this is what's going on. As a matter of fact, here we go. I got something for you. There you go. On a lonely, lonesome highway east of Omaha, you can listen to the engine moaning out this one song. I don't hear no engine. I hear a lot of fucking engines running here at idle at about 1 mile an hour. That's what I see right now. Okay? Turn the page is the way it's gonna go. But your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do. And they ride in 16 hours, and there's just nothing much to do. Pay attention. Don't feel like riding. Just wish the trip was through. I wish this trip was through. I've been up since 3:30 this morning. I've had it up there. I've still got 2.5 hours to Miami. I gotta take about 10 minutes to fix the lock, and I got 2.5 hours heading back home. I'll be lucky if I get home by midnight. That's right. Now, ladies, let me tell you something. Michelle Furlong, I am every woman's dream. I'm every woman's dream. I'd be working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and I'd never be home. Oh, yeah, we'd be living in a nice house. We'd be driving around in Rolls Royce. We'd be drinking Dom Perignon every fucking night. But your man would be never home. I'd be out working all night long in sunny South Florida. Listen to that. Oh. Sometimes you can hear them talk. Other times you can't. Or the same old cliche is that a woman owns a man, and you don't listen our number. You don't dare make a stand. Stephen Millard, Stephen, you want to learn to be a locksmith? You want to learn? Well, let me tell you something, my friend. I'll put you right over here. You can sit here, and when we're running 36 hours straight. I've already been up since 3:30 this morning, so I don't know. What are we at? 9, 10, 11, 12, 18 hours? Is that what I got going on right now? Huh? 18 hours? Is that right? I'm not even sure at this particular point in time. I got so much going on here. I still got to go to Miami. Steven, if you think you're ready, you're a million miles away. Echoes from the amplifiers ringing in your head. It's on today's last cigarette. Tony Malia, Gary Boyd. You know, Tony, you and I both know, you lived in Florida. You know when an accident on I-95, it's going to be backed up for about 20 miles. I've been sitting in this traffic for a little over 2.5 hours right now. And I'm just getting out of Stewart, and I got to go to Miami. Huh? Well, let me tell you something, Tony. I'm thinking, you know what I'm thinking, Tony? I've been sitting here for 2.5 hours. I've been up since 3:30 this morning. I'm tired. I'm hot. I stink. It's time to go take a shower and then head to Miami. And you know what I'm thinking, Tony? STK Steakhouse. Big, nice, big steak with all the fixins. I'm thinking Mr. Chow. Huh? Let's go to Mr. Chow down in Miami. We'll eat all of Mr. Chow's food. Huh? And then you know what, Tony? As we're sitting at the Westin, as we're sitting at the Four Seasons, sitting there looking like Miami Vice, Don Johnson, Philip Michael Thomas, we're going to sit there and drink mimosas all night long. Ladies, if you think you're ready, if you think you're ready to jump on Tony Malia, you're jumping on Mr. Sunshine. And if you think you're going to jump on me, you're jumping on Tony. And ladies, if you think you want to jump on me and Tony in Miami, in a penthouse, overlooking the ocean, well, ladies, take your vitamins, get ready. Here you go. I think you know this song. Here we go. And this is synonymous. Here you go. Supertramp, take the long way home. Well, by God, I'm taking the long way home. Take the long way home. I'm telling you what, Nick Hyde, let me tell you something slick, Nick. You think you're ready? Stephen Miller wants to be a locksmith. Well, let me tell you something, pal. I'm going to give you Mr. Sunshine's boot camp. Huh? 48 hours straight. And you know what, Stephen? When you're sitting there going, I want to go home. I want my mommy. I can't stay. Oh, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I'm going to say, listen, I got another dozen locks. We got to get over to Tampa. We got to go to Bonita Springs. We got to go to Daytona Beach. We're going to hit West Palm, Wellington, Fort Lauderdale, Boynton Beach, Delray Beach, Boca. You're going to go town to town, city to city. And I don't want to hear you crying over there. Beach is so unbelievable, unforgettable. I've done it long way. And when the fence in the beach, you're losing the sanity. I'm losing my sanity. Oh, calamity. I used the long way home. We're taking a long way home.